Okay, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink office hours, or any link really, in Word, and it works the same in email as well, so keep that in mind. All right, so let's say Monday, my hours are 8 to 10, and I'm going to just put a click here. Tuesday, 2 to 4, and maybe Friday, 6 to 8. All right, the next thing you're going to do is copy your Zoom link. So I'm going to Control-C, copy my link. I'm going to highlight the words click here, and I can press Control. I do it so often. I press down Control and I click my mouse, and that gives me hyperlink. And then I can put my address right there, and I can press OK. Then when anyone goes to need that link, it's right here, hyperlink to the words click here. And that works the same for anything. Another way to get there is highlight, go to Insert, Link, Hyperlink, and you can do the same thing. Hope this helps.